Technology is rapidly changing every day. New tech companies appear all the time, offering a wide variety of products that will fit the needs of any shopper. However, some of these products are on an entirely new level than their competition. Today we'll be taking a look at 9 products that are on a whole other level. Don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep up to date with all of our future uploads. Number 9. For one more time, Shift Cam makes your smartphone mighty powerful. With the new Pro Grip, this is the first 12mm spherical ultra-wide-angle lens for your smartphone. With a new battery grip that will allow you to enjoy the experience while capturing it. Shooting with a DSLR, your camera provides us with a reassuring feeling of balance and stability. That is what we miss most of us. Wouldn't it be great if we could bring what's best from professionals into mobile? And exactly that innovation is what Shift Cam would be working. Using a technique that melts glass into shape, we are able to concentrate every single light particle to bring DSL, our lens quality, into mobile. They have achieved an impressively small 12mm, an ultra-wide-angle lens with outstanding clarity and zero distortion. Alpha spherical lens means no more warping of lights, so that your pictures taken are as real as your naked eye can see. Shift Cam. For the past 2 years, they have scrutinized over 50 prototypes with great attention to detail. From the touch point of each finger, for security, to the pressure exerted on your palm, for comfort and endurance, and identifying how your thumb and wrist are essential for balance. Purposefully designed to let you shoot with your index finger again. Landscape or portrait mode so you can feel like a pro. Shoot like a pro. Your creativity should not be restricted by your phone's battery. The Progress battery delivers the optimal capacity through fast wireless charging technology, bringing you the most seamless solution for shooting and charging simultaneously all day long. This product is just lunch in Kickstarter and you can take off with only $89. The Pro Grip is not just an evolutionary grip. It is redefining mobile photography and videography. Feel like pro and shoot like pro. Number 8. Ginkgo Smart Accordion is something much more than just a lamp. You will surprise. The simply flexibility and beauty of light can be your partner in many moments of you. Simple to recharge via USB, and has battery life 6 to 8 hours, and you are ready to play with your accordion. Fully portable design, so you can place it wherever you desire. From a romantic dinner to a reading place, or decorate the living room. It can be also your accessory on your bag or your camping. Brightness control is analog. That is to say, you control light it by opening up or less. It is made of natural wood and water-resistant Tyvek paper, which gives it strength and flexibility and safety. The Ginkgo Smart Accordion lamp takes its inspiration from the musical instrument of the same name, and is an essential addition to any living space. Like an accordion open, an internal switch automatically turns the lamp on, and reveals a surprisingly powerful light source. You have to choose warm light or more brighter. On the first time open, the light is going warm automatically, but if you close and open again, the light transfer to brighter. And you can choose from 2 different finishes. That product is the design of an English company, Ginkgo, and you can order now for only $59. Number 7. These are the new firewall ads by Murphy's Magic. Take your pick. The Professional or the Aficionado series, the Professional series of firewalls. It is 100% handcrafted by skilled leather artisans, to ensure that you receive a beautiful, high-quality, high-position product.
He gave me a sticker earlier, right? Yeah. Let me see. Let me see. Anything I can give you. Oh. Wait. There's the sticker. But look. Look.
It's our card.
Look.
It's our signed card.
Go ahead.
Grab it, Krista. Can I grab the credit card too?
Sure, I can.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you.
The Aficionados series is a high-quality leather alternative, handmade by skilled craftsmen who deal specifically in full leather textiles. It has the look and feel of real leather, yet uses no animal products. Both wallets features an adjustable and replaceable flange. A framed fire tray to keep your lighter fluid where it needs to be. A magnetic lock to ensure your gimmick remains hidden in a large fire gimmick. Best of all, you can use it as your everyday wallet. Number 6. NIMB. NIMB Ring is an emergency alert system. NIMB is a wearable device that acts as a panic button to alerts to friends and family, police, private security services, and people nearby. In case something happens or you are on attack or for the people need immediate medical attention, it only takes 3 seconds to push the button and can be done in complete discretion. The alert includes the user's GPS location and a profile on the NIMB application that includes the user's name, photo, age, gender, and other useful information. The NIMB acts as a voice recorder once activated to collect evidence that authorities can use. The Ring's battery life lasts for 2 weeks on one charge and is compatible with iOS, Android and Windows phones. NIMB is fully waterproof and available in black and white.
You've reached the 911 dispatch center. At the moment, all operators are busy. Please stay on the line.
Number 5. Hobot 388. Window glass cleaning automatic smart robot. Cleaning windows or even house glass separators is a very tiring, exhausting, and time-consuming process that takes a lot of work time and energy, especially when it looks like your window's glass will never be completely clean. However, by using the Hobot 388 smart window cleaning robot, which might very well be the perfect tool for the job, not only can you save some of your precious time on a day-by-day basis, but also some very much needed energy that you can spend anywhere else instead. Easy, you can control from your smartphone, or from remote control, and leave the hard work for Hobot 388. This device is available on Amazon for only $479. Number 4. Go Duo speakers by KNZ Technology are portable, water-resistant wireless speakers that bring you rich stereo sound in a tiny package. Even though the Go Duo speakers look like one unit, reality is not. They're connected using magnets and adaptive wireless stereo technology to provide flexibility and superior sound. The Go Duo speakers feature a Bluetooth range of up to 10 meters and out 5 watts of output from each speaker. They also have a built-in subwoofer to enhance the bass sound. According to the small size, you can have extremely good sound. The device has passed all the customer buyer review tests and you can find it on Amazon for $79 only. Number 3. In the past months we speak for health and mask protection. Let's have some happy and relaxing time. Introducing the H2 Ninja Snorkeling Mask. It enables you to breathe underwater through the nose and mouth as naturally. It also allows you to swim freely without any tubes in your mouth and to see very clearly. The Hawaiian company has developed a mask that covers the entire face of a person, allowing breathing through both the nose and mouth. If you dive deeper wearing this mask, the tube gets automatically blocked using a special valve system that stops you from inhaling the water. The mask completely covers the face and leaves your hands free for fixation and comfortable swimming. Elastic straps are used. Creators of the mask expect that their invention will contribute to the active development of snorkeling. Number 2. Wearable technology is being incorporated into our lifestyle in many different ways. I bet jewelry is one thing you'd never expect to be turned into a gadget, right? Well, nowadays it can be a lot more than just a pretty ornament. Bangle digital jewelry concept is designed by British Danny Burnside and Square Circle Company. The company behind Project Bangle digital jewelry, it remains a mystery. And also when expected to start the product, and what is the selling price? From the time Square Circle Company and Danny Burnside announced the project, more than 12 million people have searched on Google and YouTube for this amazing device. Number 1. Key Sofa. You just return after an exhausting day, and your dream to relax in front of the fireplace, or just enjoy a good book and see a nice movie. In that case, this sofa is what you need. Developed by Swiss designer Alexander Wren, Key Sofa can be considered a landscape for your living room, able to react to your various needs. The user becomes the protagonist and through his movement and interaction with the furniture object, alters its shape and sitting angles to accommodate their body accordingly. It is a great addition to the interior of the modern home. All the information about the product is on the page down. Thank you for watching my video, and please don't forget to put your comments. See you the next time.